Hey guys, welcome to another how-to video with Matt. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super easy chicken toy for your chicken coop. But first, you're going to need a few things. Alright, to get started on this, guys, it's simple. We're going to need a plastic water bottle or bottles. If you got a lot of chickens, you can use a drill with a small drill bit. You're going to need some chicken feed and you need a funnel. So this thing is super easy to make and your chickens are going to love it. So what you need to do is take an empty water bottle first, right guys? Make sure it's dried out as best as possible. And then you just want to take the top off. Then you want to take your funnel that you got. You just want to stick it right there into the top of your bottle, and then you just want to take either some treat feed or nice corn feed, just like this right here, and just want to go ahead and just pour that in there and make sure you get it filled all the way up to the top. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to keep filling that bottle up all the way to the top right here, guys. So go ahead and get it filled to the top. Then we'll be ready to drill some holes in it. Now we got our bottle full of feed, as you can see right here. So what I'm going to do is just lay it on its side. And we're just going to drill a couple of holes. You don't want to drill a whole bunch of holes. You just want to drill just a few. Maybe one right here in the bottom. Just slowly so you don't mess the bottle all the way up. So that's our hole. Now put one in the middle. And one near the top, and then I'm just going to roll it about mid-turn, about like right here. Then do another one there. And then I'm going to flip it a quarter turn again, do the same thing. Alright, and then on the last quarter turn right here, so that we got holes all the way around, top and middle. Alright, so now that's ready to put into your chicken coop for your chickens to peck at. They're going to peck at these little holes all day, and their goal is to try to bust this bottle open, guys, and get all that nice feed that's inside there. So I'm going to go stick this in there now and see how they at with it. Alright guys, so there you go. That's going to beat their chicken boredom over the winter time right here. It's going to keep them active to peck at it and try to take all day to bust it open. Now this doesn't replace their normal feeding habits, so make sure you feed them also. This is just like a treat bottle that you can use, but as you can see, they're all over it trying to peck it open. It's like a contest, and when you give your chickens something to do, it keeps them from bullying the other chickens. So it's not a bad idea to make a couple of these and throw into your coop for your other chickens. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit that like button down below and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hope you guys have a wonderful week. Peace.